CNC machining is a very interesting concept as a whole. A lot of people that walk through the shop or see our machines run look at a process and they think, wow, that's so amazing. You're not doing anything and it's producing parts, right? What they don't see on the back end is how quickly things can go wrong and how much work and effort went into proving out that process. So I've been working hands-on in this shop for 4 years now. I wasn't a machinist before that, but I do have the mechanical engineering degree. And every single day that I'm in this shop, I'm humbled by how difficult the things that we do are. So it's really impressive how much effort goes into these problems and how difficult the problems are that we're solving. Something that's really cool if someone's considering a career in CNC machining is that you experience a new challenge every single day. And just when you thought you've got something figured out, you're proven wrong. So there's no limit to what you can learn in CNC machining. It goes a lot more deep than just pushing a button.